Welcome back. This is Wisconsin Shoe Guy, and today I've got a new pair of boots from Sons of Henrey. Now, I ordered a pair of field boots from Sons of Henrey, and I expect that this is going to be the pair in Utah calf, but I also ordered a pair in Jamaican kudu, so it could be either. So really looking forward to that and seeing what it is. But here, let's get started and see what we have. So this is just opening up here. We have our shoe bags and our cloth. They always do a nice job. And look at this, they're in shoe bags. And Tom over at Sons of Henrey always does a nice job. And look at this. This is a beautiful Utah calf. This is a field boot, which is exactly what I wanted. It does not have a cap, so it's a faux cap, just stitched in, triple line of stitches, exactly like the Galway. Now, what I'm excited about with these is that it's an unlined shaft. So what does that mean? That means that if you look here, this part of the shoe is unlined so that it is softer. So what does that mean? Here, let me just open this up so that we're really looking at this. And I love that they're pre-laced, but I don't love the fact that they're fake laced. So just basically twisted. So I have to basically relace them every time I get shoes. And that's not a Sons of Henrey thing. That's a most brand thing. But here, let's take a look at this, right? So as you go into the shoe, you see it's unlined up to the shoe. So here, the shoe itself is lined, but the shaft is unlined. So what you get is you get this beautiful Utah calf. And if you recall, one of the things I like about Tom and his brand at Sons of Henrey is that he always gets really, really nice leather. That's probably one of the things that's most important to him. And this is just, so this is gonna be really soft, easy on the ankles when you wear them. Now, I prefer to have 4 and 4, so like four eyelets and then 4 speed hooks. This has 5 and 3, but that's neither here nor there. That's not a bad thing, and I can always have a cobbler fix that for me. I do like the fact that they're not gold. A lot of guys really love to have gold on these, and I prefer this kind of like this antiqued look, or I actually like nickel. But I think with this particular color boot, this goes really, really well. So now he's got the integrated pull tab here, and it's below. Now some of mine are actually on this style of boot are sewn on here, so that it's sewn and you just have this together. This is actually a really small hook. Some of them are quite a bit larger, so that'll be a little bit different to use, but it doesn't stick up over either, which I like. And you know, some of them are not even leather, they're just they're canvas, so this is much better than those. You can see the way that they've got this piece here. It's really formed to the foot, so that'll be nice. And it is pretty stiff here, meaning that you don't need to put boot trees in it either, which I think is also a very big plus. This is not a day-night sole either. This is a Vibram sole, which is an upgrade. So if you've ever gone to a cobbler and you get a choice of Vibram sole or day-night sole, they'll usually charge a few bucks more for Vibram. So that's another nice thing. So really love the fact that they're Utah calf. Love the fact that they feel so nice. And I've ordered Utah calf now from 3 makers. I have Edward Green, which is obviously a very top-tier brand, Sons of Henrey, and Lufthansa. And the Utah calf at Sons of Henrey is second only to Edward Green. It's much less stiff than the Utah calf that I've gotten from Lufthansa. Now, that's not to say Lufthansa is bad, it's just different. So, very excited to wear these, get them on the hoof. But for now, that is all. So let me know what you think. Bye.